play the keyboard, but this has it's like the sounds I create with it are have their own charm to them. Like even though that's not the greatest synth sound, it really does give me that it's like a cheaper synth sound to it. Like and then you can simply just morph it into different stuff from there. But should I save that? Y'all feel free to comment in the chat. Let me know. Let me know how everything look, all that good stuff. Make sure everything on track here. Make sure we looking good, feeling good. Everybody chime in, say hi. You know what I'm saying?